Welcome to the Future of Business Research, introducing AutoIntel, the Gen AI and multi-agent intelligence platform powered by Nebula 9.ai's EvoGen multi-agent framework that transforms the way you work, making it smarter and more precise. Let's get started by logging into AutoIntel. Once inside, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. This is your command center, showcasing active research projects, targeted areas, and critical insights at a glance. To discover new market opportunities, we'll initiate a new research project. AutoIntel offers pre-built research templates for various business needs, along with a custom research option. You can select your desired use case and create a customized case that suits your needs as well. After selecting the template, we configure the research by adding a title, description, and selecting relevant data sources, ensuring we get the most accurate and comprehensive insights. To refine our study, we specify key parameters such as market segments, geographical focus, and data granularity. AutoIntel then generates a structured workflow tailored to your research needs. Choose between full automation or a human-in-the-loop option for enhanced control. As you move further, you'll meet your AI agents, each assigned to specific tasks like data gathering, competitor analysis, and trend forecasting, using the latest AI models and research tools. The entire research process is mapped out in the Workflow Visualization tab, where you can review tasks, AI agents, and execution steps before proceeding. With your research in motion, AutoIntel identifies key competitors in your market segment, giving you an instant competitive landscape overview. Click on a competitor profile to explore their market positioning, growth patterns, and strategic insights, all in real time. Next, AutoIntel scans real-time data sources to provide critical insights such as consumer sentiment reports, demand analysis, and user feedback trends. Once the data is approved, AutoIntel summarizes the key findings, distilling complex information into actionable insights. Go deeper with AI-driven trend analysis, which highlights market shifts, emerging opportunities, and potential risks, all backed by real-time data. AutoIntel allows you to generate detailed reports automatically, edit insights, provide feedback, and download polished reports for decision-making in seconds. Finally, monitor research progress in the Review tab, ensuring that every step from data gathering to report generation is seamlessly executed. With AutoIntel, no more delays, no more fragmented data, just real-time insights, automated reports, and AI-driven decision-making, all in one platform. AutoIntel, smarter research, faster decisions, greater impact. Contact Nebula 9.ai to see AutoIntel in action today.